Viewers, you are watching Mathematics channel number Collage. In this question, the coefficients a, b, c in this quadratic equation are chosen from this set. We have to find the probability of this equation having repeated roots. A condition for repeated roots of this quadratic equation is discriminant d equals 0, that is b square minus 4ac equals 0, that is b square equals 4ac. We have to choose values of a, b and c from the given set. For repeated roots, numbers in this set must satisfy this condition b square equals 4ac. Now 4ac is even and b square will be odd for odd numbers in the set, that is for 1, 3, 5 and 7, which means we cannot choose a value for b from any of these 4 odd numbers. So we are left with for values of b to be even numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8 only. For favorable outcomes, we have to make different cases. For that, we will prepare a small chart for a, b and c. If b is 2, ac will be 2 square 4 upon 4, 1. So the only combination for a and c will be a equals 1, c equals 1. Now we will choose b equals 4, which implies ac will be 4 square 16 by 4, 4. So this 4 can be achieved by taking a equals 1 and c equals 4. A equals 4, c equals 1 and a equals 2 and c equals 2. Continuing with this chart, next we will take b equals this 6, that implies ac equals 6 square 36 upon 4, 9. To get 9, we will take a equals 3 and c equals 3. This is the only combination possible. And finally, we will take b equals this 8, which implies ac will be 8 square 64 upon 4, 16. And to get 16, we have to take a equals 8 and c equals 2 and reverse a equals 2, c equals 8 and thirdly a equals 4 and c equals 4. So there are in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 cases. So the required probability will be p equals favorable outcomes 8 upon total number of outcomes will be these three numbers a, b and c can each be repeated 8 times. So total outcomes will be 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. Cancelling 1 8 here, we get the required probability 1 upon 64. Hence, the correct answer option here is C, 1 upon 64. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, Number Collage. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.